In this video, we're going to show you how to send and receive program files to and from your Patmark unit. Once we have our program finalized, we can then go on to saving our program to our Patmark unit. Under file marking, we have the ability to send a file, read the file, delete a file, delete all files, read all files, send all files. Under here, we're going to go to Send File. In File Number, we're going to select the location of our program and also give it a name. Now that your program has been successfully saved to your Patmark unit, we can now go to Read File. And in this, we're going to go through a few selections just to show you previous examples of other programs saved to the unit. After reloading our video example, we can now start our marking process.